Alright, so it's just a quick video, show you how I clean the engine bay. So basically, you can see my last video, you see I got this degreaser right here. Chemical guys, so I'll put the link for this down in the description. So basically, yeah, when you own a car, you know, the engine part, shit, it's gonna get dirty. So you're gonna wanna clean it from time to time. You don't have to clean it every time you wash your car. See, I'm at the car wash right now. If you ain't seen my car wash video, go check that out. Show you everything I use on my car and what products and how I wash it. See the logo right there. But yeah, so like I said, I got this degreaser off Amazon, costs 10 bucks. And you just want to spray it throughout the whole under the hood on all these parts right here and let it sit for a couple of seconds, like a minute or two, and get you a towel. So basically all you need is a degreaser, towel, and a high pressure wash. I'm at the car wash. I know some people got these at home, but like I said, I'm at the car wash. So I say clean this every, you know, like 2,000 or 3,000 miles. You can see it's like dirty. I don't know if the camera picking it up, but it's all dirty, you know, this shit right here. It's not a lot of like little pieces, so I'm just gonna spray the whole part and then let it sit for a little bit and hit it with the high pressure wash and then wipe it down. Like I said, I'm just showing you what I use to do it and how I do it. It's not much to it, but go ahead and get it started. So I just rinsed it off. You can tell all I gotta do is dry it now. Also, if you got like an intake filter, they got the filter exposed, make sure you put a towel over that before you rinse all this off. So like I said, spray the stuff on, let it sit for like a minute, rinse it off, you know, don't let the hose just sit in one spot, just, you know, keep moving it like you seen in the video, and then go ahead and dry it off, and that's pretty much it.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Reached every goal I said, I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. And now I'm out here getting